we got him awake. It took some work. Zach's been up all day trying to do it. But we got him enough sugars that he's awake now. And we're going to today put some Viking shocks on the back of that El Camino. And, it should look pretty good once we got it on. But the kid is going to learn some shock therapy today. A lot of shock therapy. We'll get him some 110, maybe some 220. We'll get him some shock therapy. Wake him right up.
No, not in the glove box.
What are you looking for?
A special socket for the wheels.
What measurement is the socket?
This, I have no idea. Yeah, it's a different configuration. It's not like a regular socket.
Woo! The question is it big enough?
I just have to notice that there's no. All colors are good if they're red.
That's right. Unlike old man Ford. You can have your new car any color you want as long as it's red. I'm gonna need a 1/2-inch box wrench and a 1/2 and a 9/16 ratchet and socket and extension. What I'm going for right now is we're gonna take these shocks off. This bolt comes out. These two bolts out here come out. We're going to take them off, take this shock off. Then we're going to take this spring out. What we'll do is we'll jack this up just a hair, take the weight, we've got it jacked up so there's no weight on the axle. The car is on jack stands. We're lifting the axle up so we can move things around. We'll take the shock off first, lower the rear end a little bit, loosen the bolt that's holding the spring in here. And there's only one bolt holding the spring. The spring's just in there. So then we'll lower it down, pull the spring out. Then we can put the new shock on. But what we'll do is we'll put it on down here first. We'll get the bottom done first, then set the top, and we'll have it in. It's not that hard to do. It's a very nice system. This Viking kit is a really good, pretty nice stuff. Did you get my wrench, the box in? All right, come here, man. All right, I need some help here. See if you can break it loose. Oh. Got it? All right. To me, Shaquille O'Neal is one of the most, I admire the guy. Any man that can be as busy as he is and do the things he does, that's incredible. Yeah. I'm busy.
Yeah,
Nothing like that guy. And to go out and get a degree and do the things, I just got massive respect for that guy. Massive. Did you find what I need? Okay. I may need a second. And now, let the jack down a hair. Really slowly. Just a hair. Okay, that's good. Alright, we're free. Okay, now we're gonna have to push this one this way. A little more leg.
I can't push it anymore without sliding.
Okay, hold on a minute. Hunter's leg couldn't do it, but hammer can. It's hammer time. Hunter, look under here. See what I'm doing? I'm taking this, see this stud right here that's bolted in?
Yeah.
What I'm doing is I'm putting my finger on the back of it to push it out a little bit. I'm just tapping it a little side to side. See how it's coming? See, that's how you get them out. Now, let me see this thing. Let's clean here. Not a bit of rust on this truck. Can you give me another 3/4?
Yeah.
This is a bolt that hadn't been out in 50 years. Okay, now let the axle down some more. Slowly. Keep going. One more. Hold on. Alright, a little more. It's starting to come out. It ain't out yet. Keep going. Stop. Come back up a hair. Stop right there. Alright, now take it down a hair. That'll do it. It might be bound up. Alright, take the jack down a hair. There you go. Okay. That should hold that. Alright. Hey G-Dub, how big a hole are we gonna have to drill?
What hole?
We gotta drill a hole.
I thought you said we didn't need to drill a hole.
No, we gotta drill a hole. See this?
Yeah?
What this does, this goes on like this, and then this one goes on above it like that, and then the shock mounts through
In
here.
between them?
But this is what goes, you know how our bracket kind of goes like that?
Yeah.
This, we have to drill this hole.
Oh, okay.
Find a bit for that. We'll need a pilot hole too. We gotta take the spring out now. Okay. That's enough. Oh my God. This one bolt's gonna be into me, man. There's just got there's too much crap on the bolt. It's got, 50 years worth of crap on there. It just doesn't want to come undone.
You wanna have someone else take a whack at it for a little bit?
Yeah, like, I'm not sure I can let Hunter do this.
This axle's gonna have to come down further than it is right now. See, that's it. That's all the further it goes down. It's just barely enough to get the spring out. Whoa!
push it up and I'll grab it. Keep pushing, I can't get to it.
Which one did you get?
The one you just pushed. And here's the other one for the other one if you can get it in. We're gonna put this, we gotta come over here. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna put this through. Here. That's enough.
Oh, you got to run in it, Dave. I thought you were a painter.
This should be fun.
You're gonna use this little one first, ain't you? How you doing, G-Dub? Yeah, slow. Woo! There it is. Yeah. This particular shock, it's got bearings in it. There's these little tiny bearings to keep the shock from seizing up because there's too much aluminum in here. Aluminum will lock up, it'll bond together. So they put what's called anti-seize.
This stuff is worse than diesel fuel.
Oh, it's terrible.
It gets everywhere.
There's a meme on Facebook that shows, is it P. Diddy or one of them guys, all covered in gray, and it says, this is what happens if you use a touch of anti-seize. It's about right, because the stuff gets on everything. See, this got roller bearings in it, see? Keeps it from locking up. Pretty smart. Oh, these things are going to be pretty. Okay, we gotta go in one more, 4.5. Used a lot of these on race cars. You got that for me? Can't see nothing over there. I need some nuts put on.
Does this lock washer go?
Put a flat washer, then a lock washer, then a nut. Can you push down on that nut, Gary? Or that bolt? Okay. You know what I'm saying?
When you get this side up, then you go to the other side
Okay,
and put it up.
that's fine. Just get it up in the air. Right there. Keep it up. Come on up. Right here or more. Hold right there. The washer's on there. You know. It just barely does it. It just comes out the other side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. Some bitch, the springs are touching this damn plate here, though. I don't like that.
Somebody welded a washer on the bracket so that they could mount the shock to it, and it's got weld on it. So you got to knock the weld off of it so it's flush.
Nice. Well, thank you. You're good.
I think they're about there.
Hey, Hunter, come on, what'd you learn? Did you learn anything? Did you get you some fetchings?
I learned how to put coilovers in El Camino.
And you can do it on anything now, can't you?
Yeah.
See, he's gonna be able to do coilovers on whatever bicycle he's riding. Oh, wait a minute, you're gonna, well, next year you have a car.
Yeah.
What are you gonna build?
G37.
A what?
G37.
Is that metric? You're speaking metric,
Infinity?
aren't you?
Yeah.
He's speaking metric, I don't
wants-
understand that.
He wants a Japanese car. Yes, it is.
You're killing it.
Somebody, get my heart going again. All right, well,
Say
we got another
goodbye.
one done. We'll go do something next week. We'll find some more to do.
Goodbye, people.